Class 9, Chapter 1, Introduction to IT, ITES Industry. In this, the section number 1 is Introduction of Computer. And this includes what is the definition of computer? Computer is an electronic machine that works according to the instruction given by the user. It performs four steps. It accepts the data, which is called input. It solves your data, that is called process. It produces the result, that is called output. And finally, it saves the result, that is called storage. So, computer functioning consists of four steps: input, process, output, storage. Now, what are the comparisons between computer and human beings? The number one is speed. A computer performs the work at very fast speed while human can never reach such speed of work execution. Another point is quality. Using computer, we can create high quality drawings and documents which is impossible by computer by human beings. So these two are the characteristics or the comparisons we can say between the computers and the human beings. Now let's continue the topic. Another comparison is storage capability. A computer can store large amount of data while there is a limit with the human beings. Another comparison is accuracy. A computer produces the accurate results. The accuracy of computer output is limited by accuracy of input provided to the computer. This process is called GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. If the input is having the error, output will also have the error. It means whatever the input is given by the user to the computer, the output depends on that input only. If the input is correct, the output will be correct. If the input is having the error, obviously the output will also have the errors. This is called comparison of between human beings and the computer in concern of accuracy. Another comparison is diligence. The capacity of computer of performing repetitive tasks without getting tired is called diligence. When we compare the computer with the human beings, the human being has the tendency to feel tiredness, lack of concentration, fatigue, so which is impossible in case of computers. So computer is free from tiredness, lack of concentration, fatigue, etc. Therefore it can work for hours without creating any errors. Another comparison is easy to learn. Although the computer is a complicated machine, but working on the interface of computer is easy as it is user-friendly interface, that is GUI, graphical user interface. Because of GUI, the any person can use the computers easily and not so much points are required to keep in the mind to have the functioning to put the efforts on the functioning of the computer. So this is the concept of easy to learn for comparison between computers and human being. So all these characteristics or factors or features with that is speed, accuracy, storage capability, accuracy, quality, diligence, and easy to learn. These factors help to move deep in the information technology and information technology enabled services. Now, coming on the next session, that is the role and importance of the computers in different fields. First one is IT in home computing. Computer can be used in following ways at our homes. The number one is home budget. Computer can be used to manage home budget. You can easily calculate your expenses and income by using the computers. Another function is working from home. We can take the example for this point from nowadays, whatever the environment is created around us, all the people are doing work from their home, maybe office work, maybe teaching work, maybe another kind of work. All the work nowadays is possible only through the computers at the home. Another point is entertainment. People can find entertainment on the internet. They can watch movies, listen to songs, and watch videos, download different stuffs. All these are in concern of entertainment. Another one is information. People can find any type of information on the internet. Educational and informative websites are available to download books, tutorials, etc. to improve their knowledge and learn new things. Another concept in regarding the home use for the computer is computer games. An important use of computers at home is playing games. Different type of games are available. These games are a source of entertainment and recreation. The another area for the computer is IT in banking. Nowadays the IT in banking is also progressive very much. So where the so many areas are there in the banking for the IT, net banking is there, credit cards online is there, instant alerts, mobile banking, phone banking, bill payment, shopping, ticket booking, railway ticket booking through SMS, prepaid mobile recharge, funds transfer, anywhere banking, internet banking, mobile banking, all these are the possible through information technology in banking. So another one is IT in library. IT helps a lot in library. Many information regarding the books, stocks, issue of books, etc. can be stored in computers to make the work easy. Another one is IT in medical. In this concern, the first point is hospital management system. Specialized software for hospital managements are used to automate the day-to-day procedures and operation at hospital. Patient history. Hospital management system can store data about the patients. Computers are used to store data about the patients, their diseases and symptoms, the medicines that are prescribed. So patient history can also be possible to keep in the computers using the information technology. Another one is diagnosis purpose. A variety of softwares are used to investigate symptoms and prescribe medication accordingly. So CT scan, X-ray, MRI, all these are possible due to the information technology. We can also monitor the blood pressure and so many facilities are available in the IT terms for the medical concern. Another one is IT in marketing. In marketing of products, advertisements play a key role. Companies displays their product in ad form on IT platform for marketing. Without the advertisement of the product, a particular company cannot get the so much work for their product, and if they want to increase the sale of their product, they have to put their products in the advertisements so that they can have the benefit of the product sale and so on, and this is possible through the information technology. IT in business. In marketing of products, advertisement play a key role. Company displays their product in ad form on IT platform for marketing. So many other things are there in the terms of IT in entertainment. We are now having nowadays IT in communication and etc. So these all are the role of IT in different fields. Now another session, that is ICT in education. In education, how we can use ICT, that is now here. The many educational mobile apps are available like Byju's, Topper, Merit Nation, etc. So many apps are available for the online learning. So they are benefit for the education nowadays. There are online encyclopedias like Wikipedia that are free to use and a lot of information to anyone willing to learn. Another session is IT enabled services of India. The services that benefit in quality from the use of IT is known as IT enabled services. Again, the services that benefit in quality from the use of IT is known as IT-enabled services. In concern of the ITES, the first one is BPO service. BPO stands for Business Process Outsourcing. It means how we can define the BPO when an organization hires another company to perform its business task, processes, and its function, then that process is known as business process outsourcing. This service is useful or helpful in the following type of industries: customer care of the big companies, testing of software items, healthcare, etc. Another point in ITES is BPM. BPM stands for Business Process Management. The function of BPM is to do with analysis, reporting, creation, running, and management of the processes involved in running a company. Now, again, the next point is what is the structure of BPM? BPM structure consists of multinational companies. What is now multinational company? A multinational company is a business that operates in many different countries at the same time. In other words, it's a company that has business activities in more than one country. This is multinational company. It is structure of BPM. For this one, let's take the example of McDonald's. They have almost 35,000 restaurants located in 119 countries around the world. This means that not only operate the physical restaurant, they also operate supply chains to the products required to keep their location working properly. So this is multinational company with the help of BPM, and we are explaining it with the example of McDonald's. Another is ISP, Indian Service Providers. What it is? ISPs started with their operations in India. These organizations have their offices in India as well as in many international locations. Other one is Global In-House Centers, GIC in short. Global in-house centers are service delivery operations typically in low-cost geographies which are owned and operated by the same company receiving the services. Now this completes your chapter number 1.